Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. It is 2020 and I'm here with my first sit down video. I actually just changed my setup here, my vanity, just to make it more easier and convenient for me. And so this is going to be the first video that I'm actually going to be using my little vanity, but I'm super excited. If you do hear a little buzz, sorry, if you hear a little buzz, it's just my fan because it is a little bit warm. Outside's a little bit chilly today and it's just the temperature is gonna drop, so I am wearing a jumper here, which is super cute because I'm going to a ice thingy. Not that we have ice in Florida, but it's an ice event, so I need something like warm. So my sleeves does have some cutouts all the way down. Probably hard to see because I'm like super close. I'm using like a closed lens, so it makes it hard to like zoom out because it doesn't zoom out very far. But I rarely use this lens, so I wanted to use it today in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and just start with this video. It's just a get ready with me video. If it has a different title, it might, I don't know. Like, I just wanted to like sit here and do a look because I haven't done one in so long, and I've been like loving my new setup, so I'm like, I want to do a video. So I'm just gonna go and get right into it and hope you enjoy. So I'm gonna start out with this eye primer. This here is from Lancome in nude number 3. I have to remember not to be like this because you can't see anything, but it's this nude shade, and I just pop that on my lids. I did find this cute little palette at TJ Maxx. It's the Classic Cutie from MAC. So you guys can see it. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's more of that lavender, hence the lavender purple shade on the packaging. But I just love this packaging. It's so cute. It's like little clouds and cupcakes and hearts and stars. It's so girly. Classic Cutie. When I saw this, I was like, OMG, I have to get this palette. And it literally was $14.99 when I purchased it, so such a steal. I just cleaned all my brushes last night. It took me 1 hour. I washed like 30 something plus brushes and some sponges, so except for like these couple of pieces, but all of these are clean, and the one I just used. But I hate like using a clean brush because I'm like, oh, gotta wash it again. So I just take a skin tone shade, which I use this shade right here. I just use a skin tone shade, which is this one. It's a random shadow I had from, I don't know, some palette. So anything that's like a neutral, almost like skin tone. And I just place it on top of my primer to set it. Now I'm gonna take a brown shade, which I'm just gonna use this one here. This is from the Persona palette in the color Charming. I'm actually going to do a darker look, so I'm going to use this shade here. I'm trying to stay in frame. This shade here, just because it is nighttime, so I want to do something a little bit more smoky, but not like a smoky eye. So I'm going to use that shade. So now I'm going to go in with this shade here called Maverick. I'm trying to get a hang of this lens because I clearly have not used it often. But Maverick here. We might just be doing a smoky eye. I have no idea. I think now I'm going to take that shade right there. It's like that really light lavender. And I'm gonna put that right on the center of the eyelid. So I'm gonna pause and do eyeliner. For a little bit of a brow highlight, I'm going to use this shade here. It's a really light, almost skin tone. And it has a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just gonna use that and pop it right into my brow. Now I'm just going to apply foundation. I use the Benefit Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. I've been using this I probably like for a few months now, and I actually really like it. This is in the color number 4. The only thing, they don't have like a super wide range of colors, so it does make it a little bit hard when you're trying to color match. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my brush, my clean brush. I love using clean brushes, but I get sad because I spent so much time cleaning them. And I like just like a light layer. I don't like putting on like a super thick layer, just because that's just my style. Depending on like if I'm going to like an event or something, then I will definitely amp it up, but for regular everyday I don't. I like to set with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. I use that to set my under eye. I usually use a sponge, like to do foundation and set the concealer, or blend out the concealer. And sometimes I use powder to set the concealer using a sponge, but sometimes I get into these, like, I don't know, a period where I just want to use like brushes, and then another period where I just want to use sponges. And I've been using brushes for a while now, and I have not been a little crazy about sponges, but I feel like I'm getting there, so I think soon I might be using sponges again. I actually want to use this bronzer. This is the Luminous bronzer from Too Faced. It's chocolate gold Soleil. Comes in this cute little packaging. You can see my ring light, and it has a little heart right there. So cute. It actually has a mirror, and this is the bronzer. Hopefully you can see. I'm not blinding you guys. It's not super dark, but it also is not too light, and it has a little bit of sparkle. So whoa, that is actually, it came off with a lot of powder. Oh wow, oh wow. I am used to bronzers not being like this. Okay, well, we're just gonna place that. Oh wow. I'm gonna blend because I did not realize how pigmented this was. Do a little bit on the forehead. And this, you literally just need to tap, because I was literally like, shh. Yeah, that's a little too much. I've heard people rave about the chocolate Soleil bronzer, but I never like tried it. So this is my first time, and this is the Luminous Finish one. So I am super impressed. I'm gonna do my brows really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so brows are done. I'm just gonna dust away the excess powder. Now I'm gonna apply my favorite blush, which is Petal Power. This is from MAC. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Maverick. It's that really dark brown shade we used earlier from the Persona palette, and I'm just going to apply it right along the lower lash line, kind of leaving that little center right there untouched, because we're going to put a different shade. So I'm going to pick up the lid shade that we use, that first really deep shade, and I'm going to put that right on the center. Now we're almost done, so I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. For my highlight, I'm going to use this color from Anastasia. It's in Champagne. Pop that right up there. And I'm just going to do a nude lip. This is in the color number 70 from YSL. And this is the completed look for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think it's just has a little bit of, you know, sparkle and glam with a little bit smokiness for a nighttime look, and a little bit of like still the holiday-ish vibes, I feel. Although the holidays are completely done and over with, but we can still have a little bit of that, right? So that's gonna be it for this video today. Thank you guys so much for coming back and watching and still being part of my YouTube fam. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click the button so you can see my updates. And also my social media handle will be on the screen so you can follow me on social media. I'm usually on Instagram more than in like anything else. So